What's going on, guys? I'm just doing a quick website update here. I'm adding gold plating to my copper clad coin rings. So give me just a second to do that, then we'll get back to making some coin rings. I had to run out real quick. One of my dogs got out. I had to chase him down. How's everybody doing now? Y'all having a good day? Y'all running up them likes. I appreciate it. This next coin ring we're going to be working on is a 2020 Ware Farm quarter. I'll be making that into a ring here shortly. Well, if you guys have never seen me before, I'm Coin Ring Maker. I make coins into rings. If anybody has any questions, feel free to leave them in the chat. If at any point during this live you want to check out some of the stuff I make, my store is linked in my profile. You can find that by tapping my logo at the top of the screen. And I'm just doing a little bit of website updating here. Shouldn't take me much longer. Please bear with me. We will get into making this into a ring very shortly. Probably just a few more minutes. I got 3 more of these to fix. Do I have kid size available? I can go down to size 4. And for mercury dimes, I could go down to size 3. And that's about as small as I can go.
Bro, you better knock my drink over. Get out my face. Watch out. Let's see what he doing. What he doing?
We're gonna battle.
We gonna battle? Alright. Watch out. Move. No, let me see. What he got a quarter. What's he doing?
Y'all sure? What's up?
What's up? Move, Ella. Come. Oh no, I can't see. What you doing with a quarter? What coloring? Oh, you make coins in the rings? Oh, that's dope as fuck.
Thanks. I think it's pretty cool.
Hell yeah. Well, I normally be wearing rings, but I'm at home sick, so I ain't, in my attire. But yeah, that's dope as fuck. Tell me about the follow. Yeah, that shit dope. What the fuck?
No, my dog ran out of my backyard, so I had to end my live. But we are back, and we're going to be working on this 2020 quarter. We're going to make that into a ring right now. If y'all want to see that, put ring in the chat. Tap the screen. Let's win this battle. Let's go.
Damn, I want to see. Y'all let him win this battle, because I want to see. Y'all tap his screen. Go ahead. I want to see.
We're going to punch a hole in that. Put it in this little contraption here.
Do you sell them online and shit?
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I've got a website. It's coinringmaker.com. It's my username, and you can order there. Knock that center out here.
What the fuck? No. Okay, I see. I see what's going on now.
Now, where we punch that center out, it's real rough and sharp. I'm going to take this kind of curved blade. It's called a deburring tool. And we're just going to clean up that inside edge.
And damn, so it end up looking like the one on your thumb?
No, that one I got at an amusement park like 14 years ago. I didn't make that one. It'll look like this one.
Oh shit! Damn. Well, I wear like a size like 7. If you want to send me one, shit.
You gotta order. I can't make stuff for free.
I can't even give your girl one for free though. Oh my god. But I'm still wise because this shit cool. What about if I send you the quarters?
So you'd have to send me 80 quarters. That's a deal.
80 quarters.
Yeah. Well, I'm gonna let you go. I hope you feel better. You have a nice day, okay?
Wait, damn!
What? Damn. Sorry about that, guys.